Alrighty, everyone. So today I'm going to teach you how to program your garage door opener. This is model 373LM Liftmaster. Yeah. And we're going to get into programming it. So here we go. Alrighty, so first step is you come down here. Usually there's a cover that's here, and you just simply, let's just do it on this one, you just go on those black parts right there. But I already removed it, so we're just gonna do it right here. So you're gonna follow your purple antenna, which is right there, right? You're gonna follow it, and there should be a purple button, and you're gonna hit this, right? So you go ahead and hit it, and then you have 30 seconds to press the desired button you want on your remote control. I'm just gonna press this one. All right. Program. All right, let's test it. Works. And once this is done closing, okay, anyway. And so this is how to erase your code. So if this gets stolen out of your car, let's just say, or you lose it, you can just come over here and hold the button until it goes out. And now, another way you can program a remote easier if you're not very tall, or you want to save time, is you can come over here, hold the big button. I'm just gonna hold the big button because that's what I want to program. Just come over here, big button, hear the opener click. All right. Yeah. Anyways, I hope this helped. This was on a 2012 Liftmaster 3280-267M. This can work on models like Liftmaster 3280, 3280M, 3280-267M, 3240M, 3130M, 3130, 1280. But you have different remote. But, this can also work on the 3840 Liftmaster, 3840P, 3265, 3255. Yeah, you get what I'm saying. 3585, 3595. Yeah. But hope this helped, and have a great day. Peace.